Alright, I got my Honda Fit base, putting a sport model side skirt on, rocker panel. Did a pretty bad paint job on it, but I already put the other side on. Still need to do some 3M tape for the top part of it, but it's mostly secured. So what I did, mounted here. I'll take these out. Mount these two up first. That one and that one. And then show you the next step. Alright, I got those two mounted. Set up like that. Push this onto there. Get a step bit. Make it up in here real quick. And I drill onto here. Drill the hole in there. That one and that third one back there. Line them up best you can. Send it with the drill. Got that hole in there. And then you got a bunch of these off Amazon. Something like that. Go back under. Got those last two installed. Bottom. Now I'm gonna go in, unbolt it, and then get some double-sided tape in there on all those tabs. I'll do the same for the other side. But for the most part, looks pretty good. Alright, in order to get the double-sided tape on there, popped off the front two, put the tape all along there. Can't really see, the sun's too bright, but got tape all along it. I'm gonna take off the non-sticky part, put it back on, show you when it's done. This is how the car looks with the side skirts all the way on now. A little view of my car as well. Yeah, keep our oil filler funnel over there. Got the Megan Racing strut bar. Stock everything else. Got the Rep spoon mirrors. And that's pretty much it. Got some coilovers I'm gonna throw on. I got the Alibaba or Temu hybrid racing short shifter with an extension on it, curved extension. That's it. Peace.